In Creo Parametric, you can create a sheet metal part. The process is almost exactly the same as creating a standard part. I will start by clicking on the icon for creating a new object. This opens up the New dialog box. The radio button for part is automatically selected under the type list, but we're going to change the subtype. We're going to select the radio button for sheet metal. Then down for the file name, we will enter a name or number that corresponds with our numbering system at our company. And then for the common name, you could enter in whatever you want. Again, using real words helps make this searchable in your data management system. There is a box checked for using the default template. I'm going to uncheck that to show you the New File Options dialog box, and I have two different choices. I can create one using the inch unit systems, the English system, or the metric system. I will choose the metric system, then click OK. And let me turn on my datum so you can see them. Let's turn on planes and coordinate systems. And so, in that way, we have created a brand new sheet metal part.